All right, so number 17, you should get 8 plus 4i. Number 18 is 3 minus 2i. 19 is 21 plus 41i. 20 is negative 6 minus 19i. 21, I told you guys to do those incorrectly.
Oh, no.
So they should all technically be negatives of what you got. But you should have gotten this 2 times the square root of 6. Liana, you would have the square root of 24. 22 is negative 7 square root of 2. Or whatever the square root of 7 times 14 is. 23 is negative 11 square root of 2. 24 is negative 5 square root of 6. 25 is negative 10 square root of 3. And 26 is negative 14 square root of 3. Again, non-honor students, you just have to multiply the two numbers together. You did not have to reduce your radicals. All right, 27, you had to FOIL. So you have 17 plus 51i. 28 is 68 plus 112i. 29 is negative 72 minus 21i. Number 30 is 17 minus 59i. 31 is 7 plus 6i. 32 is negative 3 plus, you can write it as 1/8 I or as I over 8. 33 is 5 minus 3i over 7. 34 is 4 plus 2i. 35 is negative 11 plus 10i over 13. 36 is 3 minus 9i over 10. 37 is negative 38 minus 8i over 39. And 38 is negative 23 minus 43i over 29. For the two of you that are here, are there any of those you would like me to work out?
Okay. I think I did something on 34 through 38. I did it weird, I think, and I...
Did you not reduce?
I did, but I, like, ultra reduced. I got, like, 52 and 200, and, yeah, okay, I did it weird.
What number was that?
Okay, 35.
Okay, let's work out 35 together.
Okay.
I think that's going to be what we need to do here.
Okay.
All right, so 35. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I am still recording. Say hello.
Hi.
Can't you tell, guys? They're so excited that you're here. All right, so for this one, can you guys see what's on the board?
No.
Oh, oops.
Yeah.
Hold on.
I'll tell you. You wrote my leg. My leg.
Probably chance.
0021.
I'm sorry, I thought I was.
Okay.
All right, well.
That's not good.
Okay, so they just heard me talk through all of that. It's fine. All right, so we have to multiply by the conjugate on the top and the bottom. So that's going to be 4 minus 6i, because remember the conjugate, you change the sign of what's in the middle. Okay, so then you FOIL on the top and the bottom. So 8 times 4 is negative 32. Then times 6 is plus 48i minus 8i plus 12i squared.
This is just honor.
Yeah. Okay. And then on the bottom, 4 times 4 is 16. 4 times negative 6 is negative 24i. Then plus 24i from doing this. And then 6 times negative 6 is minus 36i squared. Good there. Okay. So then the I squareds become negative 1s. So that means you're doing 12 times negative 1. So that all becomes a negative 12. So you have negative 32 plus 48i minus 8i minus 12 over 16 And then that's going to become a plus 36.
Mhm.
Okay, so then,
Yeah, okay. Yeah, no. Wait, okay, yeah, keep going.
okay, so then negative 32 minus 12
Okay,
is negative 54.
okay.
So that gets rid of that part on the top. And then 48 minus 8 is 40i. All right, and then on the bottom, we have 16 plus 36 is 52. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And then you've got a negative 24 and a positive 24 that cancel.
Yeah, okay.
So then all of those things are divisible by
Yeah, I know
2.
what I did. Yeah. I know what I did, but,
Or divisible by 4.
um, they're all, wait, okay.
What did I do wrong? That's 44, not 54.
Okay.
I can't do math. I mean, I can do math. That's why I
Yeah.
teach math. But, yeah, I was like, 54 and 52 can't be divisible by 4. No, then we divide everything by 4, which is going to give you the negative 11 plus 10i over 13.
Okay, I know what I did. I'd rather not say it while you're going through this.
That's fine. All right, so then for those of you that are watching this video, I'm okay if you leave your answers formatted like this. I know on the previous screen, the book like splits it up into 2 separate fractions. I'm okay if you leave it all as one, just like this. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you watch it. I'll know if you don't, trust me. All right, and goodbye. Also, this is how much we missed you guys today. We made stand-ins for you.